Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Android Studio plus Java, and I hope you understand that all projects which we have done here. So today we are working with Java, and using Java we are building today really big project, or you can say really amazing project here. So we will be just working on today Java, and in Java I will be telling you that how you can just build an amazing project. Moving forward, I will be telling you that what project we are building through Java, and I hope you'll be understanding that project. So if you understand this project and if you like this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using Java. And if you have not watched my Android development studio series, you can also check that out, because in that videos I've telling you the graphical structure of Android Studio, in which I've covered up many of the things. Remember to check that out. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we can just build our today's project and what we are covering up in this project from start. So just like I've telling you that today we are just building an amazing project using Java, and I've not telling you what project we are building. So today we are building an amazing Wordland project, and I will be telling you that how you can build this Wordland project using this amazing Java, and I hope you'll be understanding this project here of Wordland. So if you understand this, so remember to hit a like. So now we'll be starting with our project. So for that I will be making a new window, because in previous window I've created another project here. So I will be now opening my window here. Then after opening the window, I will be closing my previous studio here, and here I will be now opening my folder, and my folder is on desktop. So here is my folder Wordland project in Java. I will be pressing select folder to open this. After opening this, we are getting all these files. So I will be now removing this Wordland written here. Then move to this file, and these are the things here. So I will be now saving this, and this is our main things here. So I will be now removing this all stuff. Then move to this file, press Ctrl V to close set side panel, and I will be opening it in my default Google Chrome browser. You can see I've opened this now. My file has been opened. Now here I will be doing it side by side, so I can just see my all the codes at the right on my interface, and at the left I should be getting my all the codes which I'm writing here. Then when you are here, just you have to write here Wordland project like this. Then you have to save it here and then reload. You can see now we are just getting the title of Wordland project here. Now we can start in our body tag, which is our main tag when we are working with any language here. So now we will be making a body tag, and in this body tag I will be writing here a h1 tag. In this h1 I will be writing type a word. Then I will be writing in the box, means user will type any of the word in the box. And when the user will be typing any of the word, so when you will be pressing the button of click to calculate the word length, so it will be calculating the word length, means it will be telling you that how many figures or how many letters you are getting in your word which you have typed in that box. So this is the thing which we are building today, and it is called Wordland project here. Then I will be now writing here id str, because we will be styling it through this. Then here I will be writing div id output. When you've written this, here you have to now just write here button id. Then you have to write here btn. Then write here h2 tag, and I will be writing here click to calculate. Then I will be now writing here word length like this. Now when you've written this, just you have to now move down after this button tag and write here script source, and write here app.js, which is our file to link with Java. So you can see now we are getting all this stuff, just we have to style so we can make it more good looking. So we'll be moving on to our second file, and then I will be making here the background color of this, which should be FA8072. What color you want to make, you can make it. I've taken this one like light peach color, you can say, or light red. You can take any of the color like blue, yellow, or what you like. So I will be now moving to my input box, which is the box. Here you can see this is the box in which we are getting the ID of str. So we'll be styling this here. So I will be now writing here 100 pixel margin and auto plus 100 pixel again. Then I will be now writing width also here, which should be 350. Then make the height of 40 pixel here. Then I will be now writing here display. If you want to write display, it's your choice, because some people do not write it. So it is depend on you if you want to make your project looking more good, or more you can say things added in this, so you can use the display block here. So I will be now writing here text align center. Then you have to write here output like this, and in output I will be writing margin top like this thing, which should be 45 pixel. And here I will be writing 100 pixel width. Background should be light green, or any other color you can also give here if you want to give. Margin 100 pixel and auto plus 100 pixel again. Then like this we'll be writing another tag which is btn, so we can style our button also. which should be having the width of 350 pixel plus height of 80. Then I will be giving the color here white, and then background color also blue. Then when you've written this, so here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be writing here border style, which should be none because I don't want any of the border style here, so I will be writing here none. Then I will be writing here border radius, which should be 15 pixel, margin top, which should be 100 pixel. Now when you've written this, just h1 in the end, make the color of black because our background is white, or any other color you can take here. Then I will be writing 50 pixel of margin top. Now if I reload, you can see we are getting, this is the simple thing which I want to show you. Just I will be also changing some font family so we can make it more good looking. Okay, so here I will be moving and I will be writing the font family of Open Sans. Now you have to save it here. Then when you just save this, just you have to reload. So here you will be now getting this, but before that you have to give here since save like this, reload here. You can see now we are just getting here like this thing. And now when you are just getting, so we will be now moving to our Java file, so we can just add here the Java codes to make it more good looking. So if I just show you, if I write like my name in this, and if I press click to calculate the word length, you can see it is showing me nothing. So I want that when I will be writing any of the word in this box, and when I press this click to calculate word length, it should be showing me the number of my letters. Means like I am having 1 2 3 4 5 6 letters I am having in my name. So it should be showing me 6 when I press this button, but it is not showing me anything because I have not done the Java functionality here. Means I have not put any of the Java functionality. So now we have to just put Java functionality here so we can make it more good looking. So I will be writing let button document dot get element by id. Then I will be making here btn. After making this, we have to now just write here button dot add event listener, and here I will be writing click comma function. And after writing this function, I will be making this tag, make this curly bracket and move down. Here I will be writing let word document dot get element by id. Then here I will be writing str, which was our id which we have defined in our file here. Then I will be writing plus value with that. Let count is equals to word length like this. And then here you have to now write here let output. And then I will be writing let output div is equals to document dot get element by id. Then I will be now writing here output. Then you have to close it, write here output div like this. Then write here inner html, which is our file. Then I will be making this tag here. Here I will be writing h1. Then you have to make this tag, and in this I will be writing count. And here you have to write this tag, and then you have to directly do one thing. You have to move down, close it, save here, reload. Now if I write my name here, and I should be getting the calculation, means number of that. Press click to calculate. You can see it is showing me 6 here. So like this you can do. You can add any of the figure. If I add any other thing, like you can say this is a good project, so it will be showing me the letter of this as well. Press click to calculate word length. You can see it is showing me 22 total letters are in this word. So like this you can just make this amazing wordline project. So I hope you understand this small project of wordline which we have just built using Java. This was not the really big project, but I hope you understand the like you can say some of the basic things about this project. So if you have understand this project, and if you understand this video also, so remember to hit a like. And if you want to see more videos like that, you can suggest me in the comment what videos should I make using these all amazing things. So I'll be building that as well. So just I'll be meeting you in next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials using these all amazing languages. I'll be also bringing up some of the other tutorials as well, and I hope you will be enjoying that things also. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.